Hi there! I'm going to show you how to melt away all of your makeup, even waterproof makeup and other impurities from the day. I'm using the Tatcha Pure One-Step Camellia Cleansing Oil, which I love because it removes everything without stripping my skin, leaving it silky soft. Beginning with a dry face and hands, I use a few pumps of the cleansing oil and massage this gently into my skin. Camellia oil is special. It's feather light, so it won't clog pores or cause breakouts. It's also rich in antioxidants and nutrients. You can see my long-wear makeup melting away without having to rub or pull on the skin. You can see the cleansing oil turn into a milky liquid when it touches water, which means the oil is rinsing away without leaving any residue. After patting my skin dry, it feels soft and nourished without any tightness. The Camellia cleansing oil is ideal for all skin types, and it's the perfect way to end your day. It leaves my skin clean, soft, and ready for the rest of my skincare routine.